Hello future students of AZC, my name is Kendra and I have a few tips to help you succeed with distance learning. Number 1, get yourself some note cards. Repetition is key. Number 2, get yourself a planner. Planners are super helpful, especially when you need to remember when all your homework assignments are due. Number 3, don't be scared to reach out to your professor. They're only here to help us and they are all super helpful. I'm so excited to meet you all.
Hi, my name is Alex. I have 4 big study tips that I wish I had known. My first one is to know what your learning style is. In nursing school, you guys will learn quickly. You have to be able to apply the information to the questions that are being asked. And it's not going to be easy questions. There are situational questions. There are questions that you will need to know exactly what they're talking about. And this goes back to learning your learning style, because when you study, you have to know, how does my brain retain information best? And so you go on Google, you type in learning style quiz, you take the quiz, and it'll let you know what type of learner you are. So for an example, I am a tactile audio learner. So I learn by doing and I learn by hearing, which means when it comes to studying, I make flashcards, I write things out on a whiteboard, I go step by step, and I listen to lectures. So once you learn the type of learner that you are, studying becomes a lot easier. My second tip is to study a little bit every day. And even if it's looking over your notes for that day, or rewriting your notes, or even just listening to the lecture that you recorded that day, just a little bit every single day. That way, when it comes to actually studying for the exam, you're reviewing what you went over during the week, and you're actually just studying what you don't know, making your study session from 8 hours to 2. My third tip is to record the lectures. Record everything. Because when it comes to you sitting down and listening to whatever your professor is saying, maybe even that one little thing that she mentions in lecture is going to be on the test. You can listen to the lectures on the way home. You can write out the lecture while you're listening to it. You can do housework while you're listening to the lecture. That way you're constantly thinking about whatever your professor was saying that day. My last tip is definitely to relax. You cannot study and your brain cannot retain information when you are stressed. Nursing school is a marathon, and you got to put in the work and you have to train for this marathon. But other than that, you guys got it. It's going to be tough. You're going to be feeling, what did I get myself into? What was I thinking? You can do it. We're all here rooting for you. And like I said before, if you guys need any tutoring at all, let me know.
Hello. Congratulations on taking the next step to better your future. As far as going to school virtually, the only thing that I can say is keep asking questions, email your teachers, get a study group with your classmates via email to see if that can help you out as well. Reach out. That's the only thing I can say is reach out. It can be a struggle at times, but just breathe, relax, don't stress it, and you'll be fine. The more effort that you put in, the better your outcome will be.
Hey everyone, another quick nursing school tip. YouTube is your friend. If there's anything that you don't understand and the book really isn't helping you connect all of the dots, you can always YouTube things. There are so many different sources, so many different people out there that are making videos, especially since a lot of people have switched to online learning. More and more people are starting to make more helpful videos.
Here's a quick study tip for you. If you're a very visual person, or if you remember things from muscle memory of writing it down, I would suggest getting a whiteboard like this. You can get them on Amazon, and then you just write whichever disease or whatever you're studying on there, and you can erase it and write it over and over so you're not wasting paper.
Another quick nursing school tip. When you're studying, concept maps are definitely going to be your friend. You can Google different templates or different examples to kind of figure out which way works best for you. But definitely concept maps are the way to go